नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Question number 44 is, what was Mirza Qadiani's prediction about his death and where did he die? Answer is, he said we will die in Makkah or Medina, but he died in Lahore. Question number 45 is, how did Mirza Qadiani die? Answer is, he died a horrible death after suffering from cholera. Question number 46 is, which people are called Qadiani and Mirzai? Answer is, Qadiani and Mirzais are those who believe Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani to be a prophet and deny the finality of prophethood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Question number 47 is, what is the belief of the Qadianis about Hazrat Isa alayhi salam? Answer is, the Qadianis believe that Hazrat Isa alayhi salam died and his grave is in Kashmir. Question number 48 is, according to the Qadianis, which book has the status of holy book? Answer is Tazkira. Question number 49 is, the court of which foreign country first declared the Qadianis as non-Muslims? Answer is Supreme Court of Mauritius. Question number 50 is, according to which clause of the Constitution of Pakistan those who do not believe that the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the Khatimun Nabiyyin were declared infidels while the Qadianis were declared as non-Muslims? And answer is article number 260 under clause number 3. Question number 51 is, when were the Qadianis declared as non-Muslims constitutionally in Pakistan? Answer is September 7, 1974. Question number 52 is, which are the Qadianis' product that we should boycott? Answer, Shizan OCS Courier, Al Rahim Jewelers, Shataj Sugar Mills, Zaika Ghee, Shahnawaz Textile Mills, etc. Question number 53 is, what are the signs of a true prophet written by Maulana Muhammad Manzoor Nomani, a renowned Indian religious scholar? Answer is, number 1, every prophet respects the previous prophets. Number 2, a prophet does not lie under any circumstances. Number 3, the prophet does not condone pagan government. Number 4, no prophet's prediction is wrong. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira.